While consuming foods rich in potassium can be beneficial for managing blood pressure, it's important to note that individual dietary needs can vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Here are 8 natural foods that are high in potassium and can potentially help lower blood pressure. 1. Bananas. Bananas are a well-known source of potassium and can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. 2. Oranges. Oranges and orange juice are not only high in potassium but also rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is not only high in potassium but also packed with various vitamins and minerals. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious source of potassium, fiber, and other beneficial nutrients. 5. Avocado. Avocado is a creamy fruit that provides healthy fats along with potassium. 6. Beans and legumes. Beans, such as kidney beans, black beans, and lentils, are excellent sources of potassium and also offer protein and fiber. 7. Yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only a good source of potassium but also provides probiotics and protein. 8. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that offers potassium, omega-3 fatty acids, and various other health benefits. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your daily meals can contribute to a well-rounded and potassium-rich diet. However, maintaining a balanced diet that includes a wide range of nutrients and practicing other healthy lifestyle habits, such as reducing sodium intake, exercising regularly, and managing stress, are also important for managing blood pressure effectively. Remember that too much potassium can also be harmful, especially for individuals with certain health conditions like kidney problems. Therefore, it's crucial to work with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount of potassium for your individual needs.